Good morning, guys. So, happy Sunday, everybody. So, we are here today at home and we have got no plan to go out. We're just gonna be making the plans as we go along. So, let's go. Let's start our Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody. We're ready. It's turned on. Is it okay like that? Okay, good. Bacon and eggs. Okay, sige. And eggs, guys. Hmm? No, I didn't get wait, I get that. The wind blew that way. So it's alright. Oh, we got the block and we got block over here. But it's gonna be put on Monday. Proper see-through all the way along there. That one stops the rain from coming. See? You need to cover with a towel. That is all nice cover. I haven't seen a cover for ano. House rules I showed only one. So house rules, guys, we are here. House rules number 2.
No smoking.
Yeah, no smoking.
I got a
So second one, in my other vlog is the first one. Second one, no screaming or shouting. No throwing in the house. Like ball or throwing punches. We don't do that. So that's the second house rules, okay? No screaming or shouting. We don't do that. Yeah. So next one, we're gonna show you our rule number 3. So there is how many rules? 5. 5 rules in the house.
I did the non-smoking sticker first.
Yeah, I think. Okay, guys, we are back. I am cooking. I'll put you here so you can see what I'm cooking. I'm cooking prawns. Yeah. So I'm cooking. We found this tiger prawns in the wet market, and I already got prawns at home. And I thought, oh, I wanted to everyone. Kumain na kami ni Daddy, guys. Ito, may grapes ako dito. Hugasan na natin and then dali natin sa baba. Mahugasan na ito. Hugasan natin ito. Let's see what can do. Dali natin sa baba. Kainin natin ito. Okay, so tapos na kami dito sa kitchen area. Tinanggal ko guys yung itong ginawa ko guys. Tinanggal ko ito yung mat. Kasi guys, dito siya nakalagay. Sa umaga, basa siya. Kasi nga, pumapasok yung tubig. Yung isa, basa. Yung isa kong mat basa. Umuulan kasi guys, may low pressure kami. So, tinakpan na ni Bubu. If you can see doon, pakita ko sa inyo during the day. Tinakpan na niya doon. Sa sa labas. Ayun, parang transparent na roof. So, ayun guys, pag makita nyo, ayun, may na siya linagay, yan. So, hindi na tayo mahirapan ayun guys, dali, punin natin to. Okay, let's dali lagyan ko muna kayo dyan. Ayan, okay. So, nakalagay na tayo. Meron na tayo. Ayan siya guys, if you can see. Ayan, hindi mo makita. Labas tayo, labas. Okay. Ito guys, ayan. Yan. All the way down yan. Linagay ni Bubu dito sa labas kanina. Yan. All the way down. Kasi guys, yung dyan. Yan, ito siya. Ayan. So, it's all the way down there. So, okay guys, ayun nakita nyo. That's what he put today. Because we were rushing today and we were looking for a ticket for Australia. So that is what we are while it took us nearly 4 hours to do 2 places. We look for our ticket. We just got back October from Australia, but we wanted to go back this March because Daddy needs to renew his license. So our son told us renew it online. So now I'm trying to create a New South Wales app, New South Wales service app for him, register him so we can put his details for his license and his license will come up so we can actually renew it. So I've been waiting for the app to response and everything that we do because our phone number, his phone number is needed to be Australia. So I found the number that we had for him in Australia. So I put that in and I'm just waiting for the app to do its bit. So we'll see guys, we're so busy today and that's what Bubu did. So it will stop the rain from coming in. If you can see, there's a hole there and the rain come from the outside, so hopefully it should stop the rain from spilling from the other side. We made sure that our CCTV had a cover in the hole and we needed over there because we wanted to put the TV up there, so we needed to put a cover again from the hole like that. So we can put the TV and then we can put the chair here. So it's nice and cool. We don't need aircon. So only aircon for when we go to bed. That's the aim. So guys, that's it. Our neighbor is home, as you can hear. And I was so busy today, and I got Sis Egay to buy the ticket, but he wasn't able to buy, so he sent the money back. So it was so funny because I send the money, he sent the money here. But we are like that. So anyway, one of our friends is coming here to Philippines on Thursday because her mom died. So condolence to the family of our friend Chuk. So yeah, she'll be here on Thursday. I don't know, maybe we were not able to go there in Manila because we have to go. If we can fly to Australia, we're going by end of next month. So it would be too much traveling for me and Daddy, but we'll see. If I can get it through the app, then I can go and see Tess because I'll only go to Manila and come back. Yeah. That's what happened, and that's what we need to do. Yeah guys, so this is our busy life in Bacolod City. Daddy is eating here with me, but he went down already. So here we go. We have, oh, you already done the number 2. House roll is number 2. You done? I think so. So we do the 3 on the next one, guys. So this has been our busy life, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you subscribe if you haven't already. Please follow our journey here in Bacolod City. And this is our home. This is the 3rd floor of our house. So we are going to see you guys in the next vlog. So thank you so much for watching, and that's it. I am trying to think what else to say, but that's it, guys. I'll keep you updated of what's happening here. See you guys. Night. Thank you guys for watching our channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we shall see you in our next vlog. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.